Hey guys, it's Neil again. Today we will be discussing simple tips to make a home office in 2018. You want to work from home. But how do you plan to work efficiently? In the recent years, the internet has grown to be a huge source of income for many. To start a small home business is not easy, yet many people prefer working at home than having a typical job outside. Regardless, without an efficient workspace, you will not be able to concentrate and maximize your potential working from home. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe if you haven't. It will really help build my igloo home. Designing a home office space is not as easy as it seems. It requires time and patience to build a conducive environment and to achieve a professional look. Here are some general guidelines to follow. Tip number 1. Choose a spot with the least distractions. In essence, you will want to choose a spot that is confined and not in an open space. In a confined and smaller space, you have fewer things to look at. Thus, there are fewer things to get distracted by. An extra bedroom or a corner would be perfect. In a corner, the only thing to your immediate front, left, or right is the wall. So there is nothing to get distracted by. Corner desks are perfect for a conducive home office, as they are distraction-free. It is important to let your family and friends know that you have specific work hours, so that you will not mix your personal and work life. This is why a separate room will be better for a home office. Tip number 2. A good home office workspace requires good desk organization. Depending on the type of work, you may have lots of hard copy documents, books, and stationery. I recommend getting file cabinets to keep your sensitive documents. Many others also suggest getting mason jars to hold your stationery, as they are inexpensive and easy to obtain. Making a conscious effort to organize your desk daily makes you a meticulous person in the future. Check out these useful items in the description below. Tip number 3. Comfort is a significant factor when it comes to working at home. Working from home. Many people tend to get overpassionate about making money online. Whether it is starting a small home business or simply working from home. Wanting to build a home office meant that you plan to work at home for a long time. Having a comfortable home office chair will reduce the chances of backaches from long work hours. Anyone who works sitting on a chair for more than 16 hours a day knows what I mean. Sacrificing comfort to save money was probably the worst decision I have ever made. Other things to look out for include sufficient lighting around your workspace, strong internet connection at your home office, and the background or backdrop of your home office. This is important for people who work with videos in their job. Lastly, working from home can be mundane, yet very enjoyable. Understanding all the basics is a great start to a successful working environment at home. I am sure you will have a perfect home office set up easily now. Thanks so much for watching. For the full guide, do check out our webpage in the description below. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy our content.